This is a 1932 Ford Coupe. Beautiful green and black. V8 engine. Very prominent running board that fares right into the fenders. You've got side view mirror and suicide front door. Green wire wheels. And the interior looks brand new, really. You got a shade over the back window. Notice the pull for the door itself. Lots of wood tone there and machined metal there on the dash. For gear shift. And you'll notice that the windshield does pivot outward for ventilation. We've got the spare here in the back. Gas tank is right there. And we see the Olympic Games in Los Angeles in '32. It's a nice memorabilia item. And there you see the steps going up to the rumble seat. Those little pads offered a place to put your foot so you could get into the rumble seat. Now this car does happen to be for sale. Wait till you see the price. There's that V8 engine, really propelled forward quite a bit, that V8. And we're going to get a view of the price. $88,000, or best offer. It certainly appears to be restored to a very high level.